Hey, how's it going?
Hi, I'm good, just a bit tired. Mornings are tough.
Oh, I totally get that. I hate waking up early. What about you?
Yeah, me too. It's just hard to get out of bed. I wish I could sleep in more.
I hear you. So, what do you usually do in the mornings to wake up?
Well, I usually set an alarm, but I end up hitting snooze a few times.
Ah, same here. It's a struggle. By the way, do you have any tricks to make mornings easier?
Not really. I've heard some people say they drink coffee, but I'm not a fan.
Yeah, coffee isn't for everyone. Maybe we should brainstorm some ideas to make mornings more bearable.
That sounds like a plan. I'd love to find a way to make getting up less of a challenge.
Absolutely. Maybe we can try something simple like going to bed earlier or setting up a morning routine.
Good idea. I've heard that can help. Let's give it a shot and see if it makes a difference.
Sure thing. We can check in with each other and see how it goes. It's always easier when you have someone to share the struggle with, right?
Totally agree. Thanks for chatting about this. It's nice to know I'm not the only one who finds mornings tough.
No problem. We're in this together. Here's to hoping our next mornings are a bit smoother.
Kindly show your support by clicking the like button.
Hey, Emily. I hope I'm not bothering you, but I could really use your assistance.
Hi, Alex. No bother at all. What do you need help with?
Well, I'm struggling to understand this history assignment. The dates and events are getting mixed up in my head. Could you maybe help me make sense of it?
Absolutely, Alex. I'd be happy to help. Let's take a look at the assignment together.
Thanks, Emily. I just feel a bit overwhelmed with all the information.
Don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time. First, let's go through the key events and their timelines.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks, Emily. I couldn't have done it without your help.
No problem at all, Alex. I'm glad I could assist you. Remember, history can be tricky, but breaking it down makes it more manageable.
Definitely, Emily. I appreciate your patience. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime, Alex. We're in this together.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Hey, Sarah, do you have a moment? I could really use your help with something.
Sure, Tom. What do you need help with?
Well, I've been trying to figure out this math problem for hours, but I just can't seem to get it right. Could you take a look and see if you understand it?
Of course, let me see the problem. All right. This looks tricky, but I think I can help. Let's break it down step by step.
Thanks, Sarah. I really appreciate it. I just feel so lost with this stuff sometimes.
Don't worry, we'll work through it together. Okay, first, let's identify what the problem is asking for.
Wow, Sarah, I can't believe it. I finally understand it now. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem, Tom. I'm glad I could assist you. Remember, whenever you're stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help.
I definitely will. Thanks again, Sarah. You're the best.
Anytime, Tom. We're a team.
Kindly show your support by clicking the like button.
Hi, James. Have you thought about our plan for exploring the city this weekend?
Hey, Emily. Yeah, I was thinking we could check out some of the popular landmarks and museums.
Sounds exciting. When do you think we should start our adventure?
How about we meet at the city center at 10 a.m. on Saturday? That way we can make the most of the day.
Perfect. I'll make sure to grab a map and guidebook to help us navigate.
Great idea. I heard there's a fantastic museum showcasing local art. What do you think?
That sounds wonderful. I love exploring museums. Should we grab lunch somewhere special?
Absolutely. I found a charming cafe in the guidebook that serves delicious local cuisine. Let's plan to stop there for lunch.
Sounds like a plan. I'll bring my camera too, just in case we come across some interesting street art or architecture.
Good thinking. I'm looking forward to capturing some memories. Anything else we should consider?
Well, maybe we should check the weather forecast and dress accordingly. And of course, comfortable shoes for all the walking we'll be doing.
Excellent point. I'll make sure to do that. I can't wait to explore the city with you, Emily.
Likewise, James. It's going to be a fantastic day of discovery and adventure.
Please hit the like button to support us.
What's your favorite family movie?
Our favorite family movie is The Lion King. We watch it together whenever we have a movie night.
Who prepares meals in your family?
My mom usually prepares meals for the family. She's a great cook.
What's a family tradition during the summer?
Every summer we go on a family picnic to the nearby park. It's a tradition we all look forward to.
How do you celebrate achievements in your family?
We celebrate achievements by having a small family gathering and sharing a special meal. It's a time for joy and pride.
Do you have a favorite story your family tells?
Yes, we have a favorite family story about a funny incident during a vacation. It always makes us laugh when we remember it.
Do you have a favorite family holiday tradition?
Yes, our favorite family holiday tradition is decorating the Christmas tree together. It makes the house feel festive.
How do you spend quality time with your family on weekends?
On weekends, we often go for a family walk in the park or play board games at home. It's a time to bond.
Who helps with grocery shopping in your family?
Both my mom and dad help with grocery shopping. We make a list and go to the store together.
What's your favorite family pet?
We have a cat named Whiskers, and it's our favorite family pet. We all love playing with him.
How do you celebrate family milestones like anniversaries?
We celebrate family milestones by having a special dinner at home or going out to a nice restaurant. It's a time to cherish and remember.